rainbow servant dreaming, the Darwin begins. Off the coastal casuarina beach, our most sacred spirit, the first of the Larrakia. Darwin NT, Old Man Rock. Stands in the water, waiting and watching. He wants his people and his land strong and healthy. He is the one who sits in the place of beginning and sees us, feels us.
His seeing is feeling. His feeling is knowing. He knows when the digging is too fast, when the sacred site is lost. He knows when the seven seasons shift too far from their course. When the dragonfly dance begins too late. When we fall away from the land and each other.
When this happens, Darwin Inyiny Drone He sends the cyclone in from the ocean, a cyclone with a clear eye and a wide sweep of range. As a warning to give us pause, to think, to slow down, to change direction, to turn to each other and the land, to care now before it is too late. People from across many seas call this country Balarr Inyiny home.